At last, today I have started to provide online classes on English spoken. Mainly it is for the beginners now. Though I have decided to provide this long before, but due to lack of willpower, resources and other things, it couldn't be started. But yesterday I was determined to start this. Just first of all, I want to say why we should learn English. There are so many reasons. I have mentioned here some of them. Because English is an international language, first of all. Another thing, it is also a link language for Indian people. See, if you go to other states, then you may face problem if you have no proper knowledge of English. So mind it these things. Also, if you want to go in higher study, then all the books written related to those subjects are in English. Then you have to face problem. So it is too much necessary for higher studies. Also, if you get high profile jobs anyhow, then you must have fluent English, otherwise you will not survive there. Another thing, if you want to be a renowned businessman, then sometimes you have to go abroad, and there English will help you just like a friend. Otherwise, it may be difficult to cope with the situation there. For the students, at last for the students, if you are going through CBSE or ICSE board examination, then you know your medium is English. So I have decided to see all these reasons that I must start. Whatever I have knowledge, I must impart those knowledge to the all types of needed persons, like students, like other professionals. Another thing, who want to know English properly, who want to speak English in fluency, so many things like that. But here, no need to worry for all, because no need to worry for all, because for all of these you must have fluency in English, but there you need something, and no need to worry here. I will explain in Hindi these things also. इंग्लिश एक ऐसी भाषा बन चुकी है आज के डेट में, अगर हम CBSE और ICSE बोर्ड को ऑप्ट करते हैं तो हमारा मीडियम इंग्लिश होता है। अगर आप रिनाउंड बिजनेसमैन बनना चाहते हैं, एक बहुत अच्छे बिजनेसमैन बनना चाहते हैं, तो आपको इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, नो डाउट। अगर आप हाई प्रोफाइल जॉब में जाते हैं, किसी अच्छे पोस्ट पर जाते हैं, किसी कंपनी के GM बनते हैं या कुछ भी, तो आपको बगैर इसके काम नहीं चलेगा। हायर स्टडीज़ में जाते हैं तो आपको सारी चीज़ें इंग्लिश में ही अवेलेबल होगी। कुछ सब्जेक्ट में हिंदी में काम चल जाता है, लेकिन सारे में नहीं चलेगा। हायर स्टडी में जाते हैं तो भी, और अगर दूसरे स्टेट में जाते हैं तो ये एक लिंक लैंग्वेज की तरह काम करता है। इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज तो है ही। इन सारी चीज़ों को देखते हुए हमने ये सोचा कि जो कुछ नॉलेज हमारे पास है उसको हम इम्पार्ट करें, और इसके लिए कोई भी इसका लाभ ले सकते हैं, चाहे बच्चे हों, बड़े हों या कोई भी, जिनको ऐसा लगता है कि हम कुछ करें। तो इसके लिए कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। No need to worry here. Regarding this concern, Ishandar, may I will give you some special tips. First of all, I will teach you and the very basic things I have categorized in 5 points. First of all, parts of a speech, then articles, then types of sentences, then tense, then voice. These 5 items are very essential. If you have commanded these things, then you can speak, you can write, not long sentences, but you have some depth in English. Second thing, you must have large collection of vocabulary, and for that at least you must try to learn at least 10 words daily. If you learn 10 words daily, then in a month you will have 300 words, in a year so many words. But this must be done in routine wise. Your grammar part must be clear. हमने पहले ही बोला कि इंग्लिश के बारे में थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट में लिखा हुआ है। No need to worry means very easy to learn. If you study Hindi, if you study Sanskrit, then it is too much difficult if you compare with English. Also, because only it has 26 alphabets. Some points written here, very easy to learn, and for that, if you want to learn properly, remove fear and hesitation. These two things becomes hindrance in this concern. Remove fear, कोई भय, कोई हिचक नहीं होना चाहिए आपके पास. Second point, simple rules of grammar. Very basic rules of grammar you must know. Improve your vocabulary daily. This will be your daily routine. रोज़ कुछ न कुछ आपको इसमें करना है, और these were some important reasons. You can easily understand this. And this is the introduction class. I am not going to teach anything, but just I have initiated first step in this concern. In the next class, I will take up parts of a speech. That is very basic. Then articles, then types of sentences, then tense, and then voice. If you have command in 5 points, then you can write simple sentences easily. You can speak also simple sentences easily. But if you want to go through in a better way, then you have to know the other things in this concern. Now I invite all the children, all the guardians, all the girls who are interested to know English and who want to speak English with fluency. Thank you very much, and this is enough for today.